Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something crucial for your online security and privacy, VPNs, or virtual private networks. By the end of this video, you'll know what a VPN is, how it works, and why you should use one. Let's dive in. What is a VPN? A VPN, or virtual private network, is a service that creates a secure, encrypted connection between your device and the internet. This tunnel protects your data from prying eyes, making your online activities private and secure. Imagine it as a private tunnel between your device and the internet, hidden from anyone trying to peek in. How does a VPN work? When you connect to a VPN, your data is encrypted and sent through a secure server before reaching the internet. This server can be located anywhere in the world, which means your real IP address is masked, and you appear to be browsing from the server's location. This encryption ensures that even if someone intercepts your data, they can't read it. It's like sending a coded message that only the intended recipient can decode. Why do you need a VPN? VPNs are essential for several reasons. Privacy: they keep your online activities hidden from your ISP, advertisers, and hackers. Security: they protect your data on public Wi-Fi networks, preventing cybercriminals from stealing your information. Access: they allow you to bypass geo-restrictions, giving you access to content that's not available in your region. Anonymity: they hide your real IP address, making it harder for websites and services to track your online behavior. Using a VPN is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your online security and privacy. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to a reliable VPN service to protect your data and enjoy a safer internet experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Stay safe online.